are facing this error that these invalid constraints are provided to render decorated box labeled by the following function. First, the blank white screen is showing for using single child scroll in your scaffold. You are facing this error because I use container which has infinite height. So you have to remove this single child scroll view, add this to the child of the container. Child of container is this is the child of one container, parent container. So wrap this container with single child scroll view, and reload the app. After reloading, error will be removed. As you see, the whole screen is showing now. The error has been remove this error by adding single child scroll view in the child of container. Thanks for watching.